Hey y'all, this is Ursula, the Holiday Container Gardener. Y'all, we got more rain again today, and actually, right now it is still drizzling. I know you don't see it, but I feel it. Came out here today. I really just want to harvest this cucumber. I've been trying to wait for it to um, stop raining and not be so wet, but I want to go ahead and harvest it before it turns yellow, and I want the plant to continue growing. So get that one. um, this one looks ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this one. Okay, and no, there's a few more. I just kind of want to check to see what else they got. Okay. They got one right here. I'm gonna let that one stay. Let that one stay. All right. I think I got just about all I need to harvest for right now. Yeah, it's starting to drizzle again. When the rain lets up, I'm gonna come back out and harvest some of these bell peppers. Yeah, they're definitely ready to be harvested. Yeah, it's starting to go from purple to green, and then they go to red, y'all. And this one is actually about to go to red. Take this one off. Harvest this one. Okay. Take that one. So now this stem can continue producing. All right. Okay. I'll come back maybe tomorrow when it's not raining and go ahead and harvest some of these. Got 3 little nice ones that I can go ahead and cut up. Yeah, I don't want to stay in this rain. I need to come back and get those squash. I think I can get both of them. Not today. I'll come back and get them tomorrow. Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna have to just pull up these onions. I don't think too many more of them are doing anything, so I'm just gonna take them as they are. This little strawberry, something got to it. I ain't gonna worry about it. But I do have a few over here. Oh look, got my first nasturtium flower, and I need to clean these off. Okay. Yep. Yes, sir. I can get some of these. All right. I need to put these down. I didn't bring a basket out because I didn't anticipate on taking all of these. All right. Flower's still beautiful. All right. I don't want them to get soft. If I leave them out, that's what's gonna happen. All right. Okay. Nice little harvest. Yeah, everything is still wet, so I am about to go back inside with my harvest. Bring this inside. I might fix me a nice little cucumber salad tonight. All right, that's it for me today, y'all. I can't do too much more with this rainy weather. So I want to thank you guys for stopping by the channel while I do this little quick rain harvest. Hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Y'all stay safe and y'all be blessed. I'll talk to y'all later.